Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then just select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Tina. Then tap on info icon and click on edit. And if you would like to add profile picture, just tap on the camera icon right here, and you can either take a photo, you can pick something from this prepared pictures, or you can choose something from your gallery. Just allow it to have access, pick the picture that you would like to add, then crop it and customize it. It can be this way, and then tap on done. Click on save to save the changes, and that's it. As you can see, now you've got photo assigned to Tina, and whenever she will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that would be all, so you can add photo to a contact in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.